Travel should be seamless. From the moment you land, the last thing you need is the stress of long taxi lines, confusing shuttle schedules, or hidden fees. That's where Aurum Transfers comes in, your trusted partner for reliable, luxurious, and affordable transportation across Jamaica. For our business travelers, time is money. With Aurum Transfers, you get an executive-level ride, Wi-Fi on the go, and a professional chauffeur who gets you to your meeting on time, every time. For families, we make travel stress-free with roomy, comfortable vehicles, complimentary child seats, and a smooth ride straight to your resort. No delays, no hassle, just pure relaxation from the start. We've partnered with Jamaica's top hotels, resorts, and travel agencies to ensure that wherever you're staying, a luxury transfer is just a booking away. With our user-friendly online booking system and 24/7 customer support, reserving your ride is quick and effortless. Transparent pricing means no surprises, just premium service at a competitive rate. Whether you're here for business or pleasure, Aurum Transfers guarantees a smooth, stress-free ride every time. Arrive in style. Travel with confidence. Experience the best of Jamaica with Aurum Transfers. Book your journey today at aurum-transfers.com.